let us see about Tokyo, the capital of Japan, world's largest city. Tokyo is the political and economic center of the country. The Greater Tokyo area is the most populous metropolitan area in the world with more than 37.393 million residents. Tokyo is the largest urban economy in the world by gross domestic product and is categorized as an Alpha Plus city by the Globalization and World Cities Research Network. Tokyo was originally a small fishing village named Edo. Tokyo is also the headquarters of the United Nations University. Tokyo was originally known as Edo. Tokyo has humid subtropical climate. Japan's national flower is Yoshino cherry. Japan's national tree is Ginkgo. Japan's national bird is black-headed gull. The most widely spoken language in Japan is Japanese. Currency of Japan is yen. Japan's national flag. Japan's divisions. There are 23 special wards, 26 cities and 1 district. Ginza is a popular upscale shopping area in Tokyo. The Rainbow Bridge is a suspension bridge crossing northern Tokyo Bay between Shibora Pier and the Odaiba waterfront development in Minato, Tokyo, Japan. The Imperial Palace. The chief attraction of Tokyo's Marunouchi district is the Imperial Palace with its beautiful 17th century parks surrounded by walls and moats. National Museum of Nature and Science, located in Tokyo's Ueno Park. The Supernational Museum of Nature and Science opened in 1871 and is one of the country's oldest museum. Ueno Park. Ueno Park is the city's largest green space and one of its most popular tourist attractions. Tokyo National Museum. The National Museum of Tokyo houses more than 100,000 important works of Japanese, Chinese, Indian art, including more than 100 national treasures. National Museum of Western Art. The exhibits largely made up of works by important French artists. The Meiji Shrine, Tokyo's most important religious sites, surrounded by a 175-acre evergreen forest. The Mirakan and Edo Tokyo Museum, one of Tokyo's newest museum, the impressive National Museum of Emerging Science and Innovation. The Tokyo Sky Tree, the country's tallest structure and the world's tallest freestanding tower. The Tokyo Sky Tree opened in 2012 and has quickly become one of the city's most visited tourist attractions. The National Art Center, Tokyo's world-class museum, is the excellent National Art Center. These are the specifications of Tokyo. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe this video.